Fear. It's no longer a growl in the dark. It's a ping, a notification, a headline that reads, AI takes another 1,000 jobs. We don't run from lions anymore. We run from change, from failure, from being left behind. In this age of artificial intelligence, fear has found a new voice, and it's louder than ever. But if we can learn to listen differently, that voice could become a guide. Part 1. The nature of fear. Old brain, new world. Fear is not weakness. It's biology, it's ancient, it's what kept our ancestors alive. That rush of adrenaline when danger was near, that was evolution's alarm bell. Today we live in skyscrapers, not caves, but our brains still wired the same. Only now the predators have changed. Instead of teeth, they have touch screens. Instead of roars, they send push notifications. And in this new jungle of information overload, the instinct meant to protect us can paralyze us. Part 2. Modern fears, AI and the anxiety economy. Fear has evolved. It's no longer just physical, it's psychological. Social fear, what if I can't keep up? Financial fear, what if I lose my job? Fear of failure, what if I try and it doesn't work? And now, a new kind. Fear of being replaced by lines of code. Artificial intelligence is not just a tool. To many, it feels like a threat. A quiet whisper that says, you're falling behind. You can't compete. You're no longer needed. And this fear, it's costing us more than we think. Part 3. Fear's hidden impact on dreams, action, and identity. Fear rarely screams. It whispers, it hides in inaction, in procrastination, in perfectionism. It keeps our dreams in draft mode. It tells us to wait until we know more, feel more ready, feel more worthy. But here's the thing. AI advances every day. If you're waiting for the fear to disappear before you act, you'll be waiting forever. Because fear isn't just stopping action, it's reshaping identity. It's telling creative people, why create? AI can do it faster. It's telling workers, why learn? You'll never outpace the machine. It's telling dreamers, play it safe. The world's changing too fast. Part 4. Unmasking the Saboteur. Fear's sneaky disguises. Fear wears disguises. You know their names. Imposter syndrome. I'm a fraud. Everyone else knows what they're doing. Perfectionism. I can't release this yet, it's not good enough. Negative self-talk. I'll never learn fast enough to matter. And here's where AI becomes fuel to fear's fire. You scroll past flawless AI-generated art, code, music. You compare your slow progress to machine speed perfection. And without realizing it, your fear of not being good enough becomes a fear of even trying. Part 5. Recognizing triggers. Fear is data. But what if you could spot fear when it arrives? What if fear wasn't something to avoid, but something to observe? Start asking, when do I feel overwhelmed? Is it when I hear about new AI tools? Is it when I don't understand a new system at work? Is it when I compare myself to someone who's adapting faster? Fear is information. It's telling you, this is where I feel uncertain. This is where I want to grow. Part 6. Reframing, from threat to tool. Here's the turning point. AI is not the villain, it's a mirror. It reflects what we fear losing: control, identity, relevance. But what if we shifted our mindset? What if we saw AI not as a threat, but as a partner? What if, instead of resisting it, we asked, how can I use this to amplify my strengths? Because AI can write, but it doesn't have a voice. AI can analyze, but it can't feel. It can calculate, but it can't care. You're still needed. Part 7. Growth mindset, building the muscle to adapt. You won't know everything. You'll stumble, you'll fall behind sometimes. But a growth mindset says, I'm not failing, I'm learning. I'm not behind, I'm becoming. I'm not obsolete, I'm evolving. The goal isn't to outpace AI, it's to outgrow fear. Part 8. Resilience. Tools to face AI anxiety. Build resilience with intention. Stay informed, not overwhelmed. Find community. Others feel this too. Focus on your unique human strengths, empathy, ethics, imagination. You're not racing against a machine, you're becoming more human. Part 9. Taking action. One step at a time. Action is the antidote to fear. Set goals that are specific and realistic. Break big ideas into micro steps. Want to learn AI? Start with a 10-minute video. Curious about writing again? Start with one messy paragraph. And remember to celebrate every win, no matter how small. Momentum builds belief. Part 10. Living a life of purpose. You're not replaceable. You don't need to be flawless. You need to be you. AI can't replicate your story, your scars, your soul. It can't hold a hand or imagine a world no one's seen, or love. That's your edge, that's your purpose, and it's never been more needed. The human future. Fear will knock again, but next time you'll recognize it, you'll thank it, and you'll keep moving anyway. Because this future, it doesn't belong to the fearless. It belongs to the brave. You are not obsolete. You are becoming. Subscribe, share, and let's grow together.